well, the intention was to review a WWRp SQUARE to go with my post for the return of the WWR SQUARE, designed by Ashley Wood from the defunct 3A Toys to Underverse. I unfortunately am unable to find my bigger size squares besides the WWR portable, WWRp portable square, which I'm gonna take a look at today. I would love to see the day watch, but unfortunately I don't have the day watch. It's empty. I know the figure exists somewhere in my collection together with the tray, but it's not around, so we're gonna have a look at the Nightwatch SQUARE MK2. This is the box. Let me see, when was this released? SQUARE MK2, if I'm not wrong, it's from 2011. Anyway, I've not done an unboxing for this that I know of, so consider this an unboxing video as well lah. Yeah, straight up boxes. Shove it in the back here. Comes in a plastic tray. WWRp, the portable, is a 1/12 scale figure series. Very firmly stuck. Okay, I'll put this aside. So there it is. The difference, or rather the difference from regular WWRp SQUARE is the MK2 has elevated legs. Yeah, you can see here, elevated legs. Yeah, too busy trying to play, I should have showed you the image. Straight up. Let me make it stand first, then I'll show you a turnaround. So I'm making it stand. In theory it should stand because I have made it stand before in my previous collection. The trick is how to make it stand now. Wow. I'm gonna give up very soon if it. Yes! Finally! Gosh! Finally it stood. I put this as a background so it's clearer. Yeah. Closer, stand closer. Okay, do a quick turn around. It's not properly standing straight now. Let's try and see it stand straight. Stand upright, that's the word. If this is a 2011 release, that if I'm not wrong, the joints are still properly hard. Hard meaning stiff, which to me is a good thing because it's not loose with time, it's just hard. So it's great for playability if it remains sturdy. I'm gonna give up trying to make this stand and just show you a turnaround of the figure. Plus the drilling sound in the background outside of the house. People doing construction. That's the infamous lips and the face, designed by Ashley Wood of the character. I love the top, the skull, and the super distressed, weathered look, which 3A used to be very well known for, courtesy of 3.0 as well. Well, this was in the good old days, and people might have their opinions about the state of weathering in the last releases before the company shut their doors. but I'm not too concerned about that. Leave that in the comment section if you want. It's cool. It's cool. We comment and critique because we want our toys to be better, don't we? Yeah. This is how the legs are. Again, very nicely painted and weathered as well. This is very, very much appreciated. Can it pivot? For this particular figure, the only articulation is in the legs and not at the base where you can turn and whatnot. Nothing is movable from here. So yeah, let's see if this dude stands stands up straight like his photos show. Straight and strong. Nearly there, and we're there. Yeah. So this is my unboxing of the Square MK2 from 3A Toys. I think it's from its 2011 release. Yeah. And with that, I will thank you for watching.